Welcome to Truality Wallet.me, rebuilt, refined, and ready. I'm Mr. Why, the creator behind Truality Wallet, now upgraded with smoother performance, premium options, and a fully functional feedback page so your input directly shapes the app. Enjoy smarter money management with no ads, free core features, and optional premium tools for deeper insights. Your feedback matters. Let's make Truality even better together. Mr. Why, creator of Truality Wallet.me app. This message was brought to you by Mr. Why, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central platform, Truality.Finance.